Which amendment lowered the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? 61st Amendment, 1988. Which amendment inserted the fundamental duty to protect and improve the natural environment? 42nd Amendment, 1976. The right to education, RTE, as a fundamental right was introduced by which amendment? 86th Amendment, 2002. Which amendment provided reservation in promotions for SCs and STs? 77th Amendment, 1995. Which amendment inserted Part 9, Panchayati Raj, into the Constitution? 73rd Amendment, 1992. Which amendment introduced the Goods and Services Tax, GST? 101st Amendment, 2016. Which amendment made Sikkim a full-fledged state of India? 36th Amendment, 1975. Which amendment reduced the age of eligibility for Lok Sabha membership from 25 to 21 years? 16th Amendment, 1963. Which amendment is known as the Mini-Constitution? 42nd Amendment, 1976. Which amendment established the National Judicial Appointments Commission, NJC? 99th Amendment, 2014. Which amendment gave Delhi the status of National Capital Territory, NCT? 69th Amendment, 1991. Which amendment inserted Part 9A, Municipalities? 74th Amendment, 1992. Which amendment inserted Article 21A, Right to Education? 86th Amendment, 2002. Which amendment gave constitutional status to National Commission for Backward Classes, NCBC? 102nd Amendment, 2018. Which amendment extended reservation of seats for SCs, STs, and Anglo-Indians in legislatures? 95th Amendment, 2009. Which amendment increased the retirement age of High Court judges from 60 to 62? 15th Amendment, 1963. Which amendment empowered the President to appoint additional judges to High Courts? 224th Amendment, 1977, actually to 24 a provision. Which amendment froze the delimitation of constituencies till 2000? 42nd Amendment, 1976. Which amendment extended the freeze on delimitation till 2026? 84th Amendment, 2001. Which amendment inserted the 10th Schedule, Anti-Defection Law? 52nd Amendment, 1985. Which amendment deleted the right to property from fundamental rights? 44th Amendment, 1978. Which amendment reduced the tenure of Lok Sabha and state assemblies from 6 years back to 5 years? 44th Amendment, 1978. Which amendment allowed private property to be acquired by the state only under law? 44th Amendment, 1978. Which amendment introduced the Anti-Defection Law? 52nd Amendment, 1985. Which amendment inserted Part 9B, Cooperative Societies? 97th Amendment, 2011.